Hello everyone, I'm Mr. P. Satra. Once again, I'm coming back to you mainly for the ICSE students. Please, before going to start, this is my request, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification. So today I'm here for the ICSE students. You all know that I'm giving some classes for the ICSE students, and the one class I already have uploaded on objectives. This is the second class on objectives, because you all know that objectives, the 40 marks is there. So that 40 marks is very important, that if you attempt the program and if you don't attempt properly that the objectives, you will get less marks. So which are vital for ICSE point of view, ICSE 2026, mainly I'm discussing on that objectives. Maybe the lot of objectives are there, but if I get chance I will discuss more objective. I'll give you more objective classes to you all. So this is specially I'm giving for ICSE students. So please let us start our class without wasting our time. You see that like the last day I have given the 5 objectives. I have explained 5 objectives. Today also I have written 5 objectives. These objectives will clear your concept. Don't think that this will come in exam, but these are very important. If you don't solve this problem, don't do practice these problems, your concept will be incomplete. So please try to do practice like this, okay? These types of problem, if you get some other help from some other way, so you can get it, you can take it. But now what I'm giving you, please try to follow this every I think after this class I may give you 2-3 more classes on objectives if I get time, okay? Definitely. So let us start properly. So this is the first question. Write the output. These are mainly output based questions. You have to say what is the answer. I will do the calculation, rough work I'll do, definitely I'll show you in computer. Each and every objectives, whatever you are doing practice, definitely you must do once in your computer, because without doing practice in computer your concept will not be clear properly. So this way I'll solve these problems. After that I'll show you in computer, then concept will be clear. Let us see the first problem. You see that this is the application of increment and decrement operator. Which one generally you do mistake? So how I have given the code, you see that write the output int point is a variable. So this point is a variable, system.out.print. You follow this one. Print and println are not same. Print. So you see that 2 lines, the print statement, how many lines? Say 2 lines. Point minus. The given value is 12. So minus means actually in this line computer will give you what the output computer will give you if this is your monitor. If this is your monitor, so the output will come. This is post decrement. That means computer will give you this line 12. And you see that after crossing the semicolon, after this separator, you are coming down for the next line. You see that this is not the println. So cursor is waiting here. Cursor is waiting there. So when your cursor is there, once again you are getting the next line. You see that this is pre-decrement. That means initial value it was 12. So that it is because of this symbol, actually in computer memory it is storing 11. So working printing 12, but it is updated. Point is updated after this semicolon. Point is updated after this semicolon. How much? 11 in computer memory. Now once again this line is accessed. So this line you see that 11 instant. This is minus beforehand. We are getting before the variable 2 minus symbols means pre-decrement. So what will happen? It will subtract 1. So this result is 12 and this result we are getting it is 10. So in 2 lines, it will be side by side, the print will come like this. Though this is 12 and 10 will be the answer. So first question's answer is 12 and 10. So you have to understand it properly. Post decrement and pre. If you make it reverse, if it is minus, if suppose it is minus, I'm just updating for a moment. If it is minus, what will happen? This will give you that time. Minus means it will give you how much? Instant. So 12 minus 1 instant it will be changed 11, and again this is minus minus, again it will be 11. So 11 11, if this minus symbol, if you write it here, these two minus symbol, if you write it here, that means your answer will be 11. Okay, so 11, once again you are subtracting, that will be 10. 11 and 10, that time it will be 11 and 10. So as per this question, it is 12 and 10. Okay, so this one is done. As per this question, that is 12 and 10. So I am writing this answer, question number 1, I am writing the answer. This is 12 and 10. Sorry, I will not write in 2 lines because this is print. 12 and 10. This is your output. Now the next question. First question is done. We will go for the next question. The next question, write the output. This is very very important question. These questions are very very important. Please try to follow this. Boolean answer. Answer is variable name. Don't think that this is something different. Answer, I have taken the answer is the variable name. So answer equal to true. Default value. Again, before starting this condition, I have given answer equal to true. So computer, this is not operator. Not operator will do what? This part will be true. Sorry, false. This is true. So not operator, this condition will be false. Means actually this part, if false, then what it will do? If false means it will come here. If true, it will come here. So answer true. I am converting that answer into false. So if, whenever this condition will be true, it will show you this. But you see that if you don't write this, then this will print your answer false. This will print your answer false. This will print your answer false. If you write like this. But if you write not operator, if you apply the not operator, it will give you the reverse. So not operator means, that means computer, you see that this true value you convert into reverse, that means it will be false. So whenever this will be false, it will come here. So it will print what? Computer will print that time it is true. So true answer will come. What answer will come? True. This capital that I have written that capital letter TRU, true. I'll get this one. So you see that this is important. If you don't write this symbol, then you will get this. If you write this symbol, you see that what is written? Answer true. So it not, then we are getting this. If you don't write this, then whatever written, you will get this. So it is clear, I think. So we are going for the next. Write the return value of the following code. What is the return value of the following code? This is a function. You see that this function, generally we see that public static void main, something like this we write. So you see that this function name is XYZ. Return type means this function will return a value, integer value. So let's see that what answer we will get. You check I into 1. Condition is less than equal to 5. Means the loop will work how many times? 5 times, because increment is 1 by 1. If the increment is 1 by 1, this loop will work 5 times. But again you see I equal to 1. Condition is matching? No. When I will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I equal to 1, just come inside. Check I equal to 1. Is it matching? No, it's not matching. What will happen? So you are coming here and going back. So I will be 2. Means I is increasing here. I is becoming 2. Again you are coming here. So I is 2. Is it matching? No, it's not matching. So again you come here, means you are coming like this. So I is 3. Again you come here. I is 3. Is it matching? No, it's not matching. So again you are coming here and going back. I is 4. You come here and I is 4 means condition is successful, condition is matching, so computer return I. Value of I is how much? Value of I this time 4. Value of I this time 4. So computer return 4. Means this is return type function. This function will give you answer 4. Okay, so no more work will be there. Even it will not come here. It will come from here to outside. Means this function execution is over. So whenever this condition will meet, this execution will be over. One important thing from this question, we can make another question. So I'm showing you this is the answer. Right now what you will get, return type, return value equal to 4. This is your return value. So you see that first question answered this, second question answered this, third question answered this. Now the fourth one I'll solve. Now let me explain once again this third question. If, why we are writing this return 0? If you don't write return 0 here, there will be a problem. If you compile this program, computer will ask you the return is missing here. You are missing this return. So that is the reason you have given once return here, once again you have to give it here. Because you see that if your condition you are writing, suppose this 4 you are not getting, what will happen that time? It will come out if this condition is not matching. I have given a condition like this. If you jump 2 by 2, I 2 by 2. So what will happen? 1, I will be 1, then 3, then 5. So you are missing that 4. So whenever you will jump 2 by 2, that time you are not getting this value, I value 4. So if you don't get 4, computer is not coming out from this place to outside. So that time the loop will be completed. So it will come outside the loop and it will encounter this return, and this return will give you 0. So whenever you are coming out from here, you are getting 4. But if you are not coming out here, means after this condition, means if you are not successfully access this, means this I counter is not equivalent with this, what will happen? That time computer will come out of the loop and it will give you 0. So you have to write this. If you are your code is like this, if your code is not like this, even you have to write like this. So you see that if it is I equal to I plus 1, so your answer is 4. Okay, so if I equal to I plus 2, your answer will be 0. So it is clear. I'll show you in computer, then definitely will see. Now let me show you the next problem. The next problem, the evaluation of this following expression. I will do this one on the board, then it will be clear for you. Question number 4. Question number 4, that means answer number 4. Answer number 4, I am writing the value of x, int x equal to 7 and y equal to 3. So that expression is x shorten assignment operator equal to plus plus y plus x minus minus mod y plus minus minus x. To solve this problem, you can solve in both the ways. You can break this word first, or you can solve like this. X into equal to, you can do like this. This one plus plus y plus x minus minus mod y plus minus minus x. Now check x into equal to, this one value of y equal to 3. So pre-increment, that means 3 plus 1 result, plus this is x minus minus value of x equal to 7. Post decrement means it will be 7 and within bracket you will write 6. That means I will use 7 now with this, but x value is updated to 6. Again, whenever we will see x in the expression, x in this expression, that time I will apply 6. But now in this, if you add this, so computer will take this value and this value, not this. So this value, updated value, x updated value, this is post, means we will do like this. Updated value we will apply in the, again if this expression is carrying that x. So 7 6 mod and y, this is mod y plus this is how much, you see that minus minus x, what will happen? This x updated value is how much? 6. This 6 will come here. So 6 minus, this is pre-decrement, instant we have to subtract. Whenever we will get this one, we will write like this, and whenever we will get like this, we will write like this. Okay, so let's see how we will solve this problem right now. So one more thing, I have to write this value I have to change. Here you see that what the updated value of y, that value I will write it here 4. So I will write 4. So let me solve this. So I'm not writing any value here, I'm keeping it like this. So let's see how we will do this. This is 4 plus this is 7 mod 4. This part we will do calculation, 7 mod 4. So the remainder value will be how much? This is 3 is the remainder, plus this is 5. Now check x into this is 4, this is 7 12. Now x equal to x into 12. Now this value will be the original value. Don't take this one updated value. This first value 7. So 7 into 12, 84 is the answer. 84 is the answer. So the for this one, the 84 is the answer. 84 is the answer. So you check. Do not do any mistake here. You take this x value. This x value should be here. This x value. Don't take updated value of this x. Okay. X updated value is what I have written last 6. So 6 minus 1, it is 5. Last x updated value is 5. But we are using here this 7, not that 5. If you do this, if you take this 5, that will be a mistake. So this is our answer. So the next one, you see that I will show you everything in computer. So let's see the fifth one. This is the last question for today. Please see this, how we will do. You see that string A, single dimensional array. Rohan, Amit and Raja. So Rohan, Amit, Raja. This is 0th position. This is 1. This is 2. Array index 2. A dot length. You know that length with bracket, length without bracket. Length function whenever we will apply in array like this, array name dot length means it will give you number of elements. Elements mean 1 2 3 elements. So length, a dot length means how many elements? 1 2 3. So this place what you are getting, this means it is 3. It is 3. And a2 dot, A2 means this is the index. We are talking about the index. Index means this position. This position A2. A2 means we are taking Raja. How many? R-A-J-A, Raja. Raja's length means this string's length is how many characters? 4 characters. So this result, it is 4. So this is 3 plus 4 plus 4. Total equal to how much? 11. Total is 11. So computer will give you the result as 11. So these are the very, very important questions for 2026. Means these types of question are repeatedly I'm telling you. Don't think that this will come. But these are the important questions. For that reason I'm explaining. Okay, so this type of question you may get in council examination. So for that reason you must do practice like this. So I have explained like this. Now I will show you one by one. I already have written the code. I will just show you the answer, it's coming or not, and then you can understand, because the explanation I have done it here. Now I will show you the output there. So please see, then you can understand it clearly. So all of you just check it properly. This is the output section. We have come, I'll show you this output, how we will get. Check the first question. Check the first question. So the first question, you see that how we are getting that first question. Check point. So you compile this. I'm compiling this. Compile this. See that class compile, no syntax error. So if you close this and then you go for the run, this is the first, this is my program, test 8. Test 8. I have explained this one last day. I have explained this one on last day. So let me show you this one. So this is my code, once again showing you test 8. So test 8, this I have written, check it. So right click, test 8, okay, check, this is my answer. What is this? You see that the answer is coming here. Okay, now this whenever I was explaining this, that time I told you, if you use the print, that means the answer will come side by side. What the answer will come? Side by side. You can check side by side. If you write print ln, that means what will happen after printing? If you write print ln here, this 10 will come here. Okay, if you don't write any print ln, only print ln if you write it here, then 10 will come in the next line. I'll show you that also, then it will be clear for you. So just check it. I'm checking this one, I'm writing that one over there. So please check, that is I'm writing ln, Control K, compile this once again. Let me check what the answer is coming. So right click, void main, check that answer how you are getting. Very, very interesting. If you do practice like this, your concept will be clear, otherwise it will be difficult for you. So if you write the print ln here, that time what will happen? You see that this 10 will be here, but the cursor, after printing, the cursor will come in the next line. Control K, so you see that close. Now right click, void main, check, this is coming there. So you see that if you write print ln here, so after printing this, cursor is waiting. So after printing this, then cursor is coming down. Now if you write something, that value will come. Suppose after this I am writing, once again I am showing you, after this system.out.println, you don't write the print here. Suppose you are writing A, B, C, this text you are writing. So what will happen? Check, compilation done, right click, check, this ABC is coming where? You see this ABC is coming there. So that means you can understand this print ln means after printing this 10, cursor is come, because of this print ln, cursor is coming down, then again it's printing, but this time your cursor is present here, means after printing, because ln is not written. So actually my program was different, so I have explained more on this program, so I think you can understand. Now let us go for the second one. The second one, you see that this was my second one. So you see that answer equal to true, not answer. I told you, if you don't write this symbol, what will happen? Because answer equal to true, if you don't write this symbol, computer will give you false. Okay, what I have written here? False. And if you give this symbol, computer will give you this one. This is just text. You can write anything, whatever you like. I have given false. Okay, you can write any answer. So let me show you this. So compilation, class compiled. So what answer you will get now? It is written true and it is becoming false. So this place, if it is true, then this answer. If it is false, this answer. So answer will be true. So you check that answer will be true. Right click, void means answer is true. So you can understand how it is done. Okay, if you remove this, I'll show you that also. Control K. So if you remove this, what will happen? Right click, check, this time it is false. So you can understand, that means this condition means within this bracket, the answer, if this answer is true, this block will work. If this boolean value, if this part the boolean value is true, this block will work, means this block will work. If this condition means return value is false, this block after else part will do the work. So this is not means we will get like this. You can give some other statement like successful or successful or valid, or we can write a simple VLID, valid, or like not valid. I'm writing like this, not valid. So Control K, you check, answer will come not valid. So answer will come not valid. So this is not valid. You see that, not valid. Okay, so I think I can made it clear for you all. So these are the types of questions, very important for ICSE point of view. As per the 2026, the lot of questions patterns is changed. Changed means not like the previously we used to just learn and go through the answer. Not like this. This time we have to think the questions in details. If you your logic is not clear, you can't solve this question paper properly. So be careful. So all you must check it properly. Now this question I have explained. So you see that one, this is one by one. I told you what was the answer. Return type answer will be, see that no print statement is given, but there will be this function is return type. So the answer you will get, how you will get the answer? Compile. What was the answer for this question? I told you this answer will be I return value will be 4. So you check, I return value will be 4. This is test 10. This is test 10. So test 10, right click, void main, check. This is return value is how much? 4. So no print statement, that's why it's showing like this. So return statement is 4. You check. If you, I told you, if you write, if you change here, if you write 2 by 2 increment, after 1, then 3, I value will be 3, then 5. So you are not getting this condition, means this condition will not be successful. So it will close the loop, but it will come out from here, loop to this line, and then computer will give you 0 result. So if you write, if you change the code, what the answer you will get? You will get the return type value as return type value. What is the return type value? Question number 3. This is question number 3. Return type value will be 0. You check, this is 0. This is 0. So I think it is clear that I have explained it clearly. So now we have to go for the question number 11. Question number 11 means test 11. Test 11 means question number 4. I have explained this. Let me show you this. Compile. So already class compile, no syntax error. You see that the exact syntax, exact statement I have written on the board. So the answer was, this answer was 84. Let's see the answer is coming 84 or not. Let's see the answer is coming 84 or not. Check. Check, this is 84. Check, this answer is 84. Check, this place answer is 84. So I think I have explained on the board how it is working. So if you do like this, you will not do mistake. So you can understand this part is very shorthand operator. You will process that one at last. You can start, you can solve that from the very beginning, from the first line. But if you solve in that way, I think that will be clear. And I told you which value you have to take. If you follow my method, what will happen at the last, you will apply the x value, and that will be the beginning what the value is given in the program, that one. Okay, so this is clear. Now let me show you the last one for today. So you see that 3 values in a string variable. Okay, so let's see, I have explained this. Let me show you what was the answer. That answer was, that the last answer was 11. So let's see, this answer is coming 11 or not. Answer is coming 11. So you can understand whatever I have explained, everything is coming properly. So I will show you more objectives like this. I will show you more objectives like this. So please, once again I am showing you my answers are here. Explanation is here. So definitely you must do practice like this. Whenever you are doing computer objective sides of the programming, must do practice. Practical will help you to clear your concept. Without computer, if you do manually in the copy, I think that will not be clear for you. So I think I have cleared today. I will bring more objectives for you all, which are very important for ICSE 2026. I will try to explain like this, and it will be very much helpful for you all. Okay, so once again, this is my request. Press the bell icon, and please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for the further notification. Okay, so today up to this much. Next day again I will bring you another means of objectives which will help you a lot. Till then, goodbye.